Hello, and today at Model Corner we'll be looking at the PPC plastic plane company Ryanair Boeing 737 MAX 8 in 1/200 scale. Now this is the first time we're looking at a Ryanair, which is another Irish airline. So we've done many airliners, and now on to Ryanair. And this is another Boeing, with this being the 737 MAX 8. So first off we take the body or the fuselage of the plane, giving you a quick look. And then we just take the wings, which are these two pieces here, and they just pop onto the sides, like so. Give it a bit of a push. You've got one wing on. Do the same for the other side. Might need to give it a little bit of a wiggle. Some of the wings can be a little stiff, but there you have it. The wings attached to the body. Now moving on to the tail, and we have these two pieces. We have the horizontal stabilizer and the vertical stabilizer. Now obviously this vertical stabilizer has to go in first, as you can see. Got a little gap where part of this vertical stabilizer will fit in when placed on the plane. So this slides in. Again, you have to make sure it's lined up properly so that the top vertical stabilizer will be able to fit in between its gap. So once that's in, let's push down my alignment maybe a little off. There we go, there's the vertical stabilizer, and there you have the built plane. Just give you a quick look at it now. Oh, my wing sticking out a little bit on. There we go. As you can see, it's got the Ryanair logo and livery in very big printing. You see, very nice. Of course, got a Ryanair logo on the vertical stabilizer. Very nicely printed. Of course, it is on both sides. A quick look at the cockpit. And as you can see, we've got a registration of EIHGT and a little Irish flag next to it, so you know this is an Irish plane. Now, if we look at the wings, you can see they have nice details, such as you can see the flaps, island on this plane. And as this is a MAX 8, you can see it has the split tip winglets at the end. So it's got attention to detail. And if you look carefully, if it comes into focus, they do say Ryanair on them. So, of course, this is on both sides. If it comes into focus again, it should do. It says Ryanair. I've got a registration on the underneath of the wing as well. Go back to the stabilizers. You can see we've got the elevators marked out on each side. If we can look carefully, you can see the line where there is the rudder. Now, as you can see, this plane does not have any landing gear. But what it does have is a stand, which is here in these two parts. And it says, Ryanair with a little Ryanair logo, Boeing 737 MAX 8, the make of the plane. So just put the two sandpieces together, it just fits on, push it in, and this will just snap onto the bottom like so. Find the little hole, push it in, and there you have it. The PPC plastic plane company Ryanair Boeing 737 MAX 8 in 1/200 scale. It's got a wingspan of about 17.9 centimeters with very nice size. And it's about 19.7 centimeters long. So it's not too big, not too small. You can get a nice display piece out of this. And of course, easy to build. And when building it, it's a little bit of fun. So this model comes packaged in this box here. As you can see, we have a picture of the actual plane itself, mid-flight. We've got the scale of it being 1/200. Again, we've got Ryanair logo, and Boeing 737 MAX 8. And then we have the dimensions of an actual Boeing 737 MAX 8, with its length, its height, and its wingspan. And of course, as this is a Boeing plane, as all Boeing planes have had, we have a officially licensed product sticker. And this is available now from modelcorner.co.uk.